Hello everyone, I'm David Archibald, and I'm going to walk you through the Yamaha booth here at EICMA 2025. We'll check out and see if we can find the new bikes for the model year 2026. I'll start in the dirt bike section because it's not so full, but it's pretty packed around the rest of the way. But here we go. Okay, we'll start with the big bikes here. All right, here we go. So a YZ 450F and the 250. Typically in these booths, motocross section's not too full, but you get to the on-road bikes, it gets pretty packed. Some proper race bikes. Two-stroke 250, YZ85. In a long time ago, I used to be a Yamaha dealer in a US many years ago, and they still got the little PW50. Okay, let me try to find a starting point here. The Yamaha booth's been primarily the same for the last couple of years. It's one of the largest booths here. All right, 70th anniversary edition, R7. And then R9. For those that you don't know, that I'm actually the dealer for Harley and Triumph, the distributor dealer for Harley Triumph in Vietnam. Here's an R7. And they're all going with the same red, white, and black theme. R3. And an R125. Okay. Now the YZ 450F. Sorry guys, the booth is pretty full. A lot of people coming in and out. All right, YZ F250. Four-stroke and then a two-stroke 250 and a two-stroke 125. All right, where to now? Show you some proper race bikes that they have on display. Adjust the camera a bit. Okay, come on. There we go. R9, R7. Wow, amazing. Very nice. Okay, work our way over to some on-road bikes. Here is the new R7. Black metallic. Very clean. Here we go in blue. Wow. I really love a bright blue bike. I just think they look great. New R3. And R9. Get on this side of the bikes. A lot of photographers taking pictures of girls, not bikes. But that's kind of the norm for EICMA. Okay, we got an R125 there in blue. All right, here we go. Now we're gonna work our way into some adventure bikes. Race 7, very nice. Display, instruments, very nice. World Raid Edition. Okay, I can get a little bit closer here to the display. Really bright, very nice. The WR125. A couple different colors, and then again some accessories in the 7. Very nice. All right, let's take a look here. Now we got Tracer 9. And a GT. All right, let's take a look at these. People aren't climbing all over them. Here's a GT Tracer 7. And a GT Plus. Here's the bike, has the display on. And a Tracer 9. And again, in silver. And then in red, Tracer 9 in red. Okay, XSR 900 in orange and white and black with the gold wheels. Looks nice. And here is the accessorized version in black and gold. I like those bikes. And an XRS 900 GP in yellow, white, Gold wheels also. It's custom build. XSR 125. Some laced wheels. Gold wheels again. It's a very nice bike. And then 155. Nope, this is sorry, this is a 125 also. Okay, now we go to the MTs. So MT 125. The MT-03. MT-07. Here is an MT-07. Maybe this is just how it is. The Y-AMT. This display looks pretty nice. Alright. Then an MT-09. Those blue wheels. MT-09 again. And here we go with the MT-07. It's got some, looks like some new brakes. Quite a bit larger, I think, than previous years. And the MT-09. Now the big scooters, I believe there's a new T-Max this year. I think this might be the new T-Max. And an X-Max 300. And an NMAX 125. Some of the other scooters, T-Max in gray. And in charcoal. An X-Max. Some accessories on there, 125, and another in NMAX 125. All right, working our way over here to the Black Max. T-Max 500. I'll sneak a peek over here at this Wave Runner. They still call them Wave Runners? There's a Jet Blaster. God, I love that blue. Wave Runner, Jet Blaster. DLX. Got a Grizzly here. Usually the ATV, UTV doesn't have a lot of people in that section. R-Max 1000. Okay, we'll finish up with some other scooters here. We have the Ray ZR. Looks pretty nice. in green. The Neo dual battery. Looks like the plug-and-play type battery, which makes a lot of sense. If I can get my camera to look down into the hole right there. Okay, then a Tri-City 300. Obviously going after the Piaggio scooter. Tri-City, it's actually where I'm from in the United States, a place called Tri-Cities. And there it is, the Tri-City 300. If you haven't ridden one of these scooters with the two front wheels, they're actually pretty awesome. All right, okay. I appreciate you taking the time. If you watched all the way through, thank you very much. Here is the Yamaha booth. Pretty full over there with the sport bikes. Okay, thanks again for watching. Now I have a lot of the other booths on the playlist, so take a look and have a good day.